How to think about machine learning. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I was driving around doing some errands a couple days ago after last video, and it dawned on me, what in the world is machine learning doing in the background? Or how is it operating? How is it functioning? And maybe this will help you as well, because it was kind of like an epiphany moment. So think about a linear line, and you have X and Y. You plot it out. So as X goes over 1, Y goes up 1. So you have a linear line that goes on a 45-degree angle, and it splits the two axes on a 45 through there. Now, think about an X square. It is a parabola. It makes a U on both sides. So you have your domain and your range, your X and your Y. You give it input, you have a target. Oh, wait a second. You have data, you have a target. So the machine learning is happening in the background. It's like, can I find a formula that will suit where it can give, where I can take some input and it will give me this output. So that was just like this aha moment. And that's what I guess I want to encourage you to be doing. Just don't be following along in my videos. Make sure that you're going down your own path and filling in the blanks that you have, because I'm sure I try very hard to fill in all the gaps and all the blanks. That was actually the idea of this channel. But I want you to do that for yourself too. I want you to watch my videos, learn to see what I'm doing, how am I investigating, how am I being curious, and then you begin to do that for yourself, because I'm doing what is good for me, and then I tried, if I've had something else, maybe some, but that's why your questions are so vital, because if you have that question, somebody else has that question. So it's another video topic that somebody else will learn from. So be curious, but really don't think that this is some sort of crazy magic going in the background. And we're going to delve into it. I read a little bit about it, and there's some evidence that supports what I'm doing, because we're going to be doing that with SVM support vector machines, I believe. Don't hold me to that. When we get to that, we'll correct if this is incorrect. But it is searching. It is mathematically searching for a formula that will match the data to the target, and then learn and see, because we're going to be doing linear regression. So basically taking something and going backwards to learn what we can from that, to be able then to predict the future. Regression. That's all that is. Don't let anybody fool you with, oh, it's so sophisticated. No, we take past data, past results, past information, past decisions to be able to then predict the future. It's nothing magical about it. It's just a fancy math term. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today, but I just wanted to throw that out, and we'll jump back into where we left off with actually bringing in and splitting up the data into X training, X testing, Y training, Y testing, and then the sample size that of those sets. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.